Hello, everybody. My name's Andrew Wilson. I'm Programmes Manager with the Supply Chain Sustainability School. I'm here to talk about our work in Scotland, the Scottish market and region, the successes that we've had, what we've been doing over the last year or two, and what our plans are for 2024-2025, the new financial year. As you see on the right-hand side of the screen, we've achieved considerable growth over the last couple of years in Scotland, which has been really pleasing, and we aim to continue that momentum going forwards. So in March 2023, we had a target based on previous numbers of achieving 500 active member companies. We were just shy of that, and then we set ourselves an ambitious target of 750 by the end of March 2024. Again, didn't quite hit that, but we were delighted with the growth that we've achieved, 50% growth in the last 12 months. So certainly great success and great traction in the Scottish marketplace. We've set ourselves a target of 1,000 active member companies for the end of this current year. How are we going to achieve that? We're going to be working very closely with our growing number of partners who are active in Scotland. The leadership group is very well supported north of the border. We've got some large contractors who are very active with their supply chains and very passionate about the priority areas that we're going to be working on. So with Balfour Beatty and Morgan Sindall and Kier and BAM and Robertson and others, working with their client groups, such as the major utility companies, Scottish Power, Scottish Water, SSE, etc. We aim to cover a lot of the supply chain and bring in more companies and more individuals to the school's learning. Three priority areas. Number one is reducing carbon. On the left-hand side there, we're going to be working on the alternative fuels agenda, not just HVO, but we're going to be looking at hydrogen and pure battery vehicles as well used in the sector. We're going to be looking at innovative use of materials, timber, steel, concrete, etc., and how we can decarbonize the use of those materials. We're going to be looking at the choice and range of carbon tools that are available to manage and measure carbon, not just scopes 1 and 2, but scope 3 as well. And we're going to be an active partner on the Scottish Construction Accord Transformation Action Plan, which is accelerating change, particularly around the net zero agenda across the built environment in Scotland. Priority area 2 is reduction and avoidance of waste and everything that entails in Scotland. We're going to be delivering a lot of training with our partner Zero Waste Scotland on the waste and circular economy agenda. We're going to be promoting the route map, which has recently been published by the Scottish Government, and we're going to be doing as much as we can to reduce and eliminate use of packaging, particularly plastic packaging, in the sector in Scotland. We're going to be doing that by working closely with our colleagues on the waste and resource efficiency category group. Last but not least, we're going to be working a lot on social value, fairness, inclusion and respect, which has perhaps been less pronounced in terms of the work of the FIR team in Scotland than it could have been over the last year or two. We're going to be addressing that and driving more use and more uptake of the fairness, inclusion and respect resources that the school offers north of the border. And we're going to be also working as much as we can on community development. We're going to be sharing social value best practice. We're going to be increasing FIR understanding of behaviours, as I've said. We're going to be collaborating with key stakeholders on the social value agenda, such as Scottish Futures Trust. I hope that's a good summary. Any questions? I'll be delighted to hear from you. Andrew.wilson@supplychainschool.co.uk. Thank you very much.